SF to take out Naga March rally in New Delhi to press for early solution to Naga issue. Research policy workshop on climate change perspective in Manipur begins at Manipur University. And Rajnath Singh takes off in Tejas, first defense minister to fly in indigenous LCA. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESSIA and I'm giving you the top stories. The Naga Students Federation is organizing a Naga March rally in New Delhi on September 25th next to praise for early solution to the Naga issue. The Federation, in a letter to the Naga Students Union Delhi, has stated that it has proposed to hold a massive rally in the national capital on that day. The letter stated that the rally is organized to press for an early, inclusive, acceptable and honorable solution to the protected Indo-Naga political peace process. Notably, the Federation in its third official meeting held yesterday decided on holding the March rally. Meanwhile, BJP National General Secretary and in charge of the North-East and Kashmir, Ram Madhav, said the central government was committed to conclude the Naga Accord by the end of this year so that peace and prosperity would prevail in Nagaland. Madhav said this while addressing the Jan Jagaran Abhiyan, a public awareness campaign, and Samprak Abhiyan on Article 370, which was organized by BJP Nagaland State at Wokha town yesterday. The Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Manipur, in collaboration with Central Agricultural University, KAU, Manipur University and National Institute of Technology, Imphal, have started a two-day research policy workshop on climate change perspective in Manipur at Manipur University today. Administrator of Manipur University, Jarnal Singh, Director of NIT Manipur, Professor Gautam Sutadhar, Director of Extension Education, KAU, Manipur Professor Ratan Kumar Shaha, and Director of Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Manipur, Dr. Wainaba Chandra Singh, attended the workshop. Eminent climate scientists from Indian Institute of Technology, Tiruchi Pali, presented a topic on challenges on climate change studies in northeastern states. Later, a panel discussion was held as part of the workshop. The workshop aims to enhance understanding of climate change to explore new scientific approaches to tackle it. Looking sharp in a flying suit, Rajnath Singh today became the first defense minister to fly in the indigenous light combat aircraft LCA Tejas in Bengaluru. Tejas is a 4.5 generation light combat aircraft developed by state-run aerospace behemoth Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL). Last Friday in Goa, LCA Tejas carried out an arrested landing, a key performance parameter demonstrating its ability to land on board an aircraft carrier, making it a major milestone in development of the naval variant of the fighter jet. The next step would be to land on an aircraft carrier. The Indian Air Force AIF has already inducted a batch of Tejas aircraft. Now it's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching.
Kangla food product ti iram dong ya seng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi no food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi do kana bu leibagi kangla
Industries ki Thamaban Indian College Western Gate ki Mayuk Nabada Leiba Can Enterprises Showroom ki opening ceremony Lagliba September Kulmathoi Lisingani Taraga Mapanda Pangthuk Cheragani. Opening ceremony asika mari lenana Can Bag Photo Contest amsu thamjari. Contest asiki ahan mana lupa lising tara ani sumana lupa lising manga aduga ahum sumana na lupa lising ahum thamjari. Sarung yabining basingna haiba numene siki pung mapan phawda lengthok biraglaga Can Bag Industries ki Can Bag amamam pairaga photo section ama pangthuk jagani. Haiba photo si Can Bag Industries ki Facebook page ta upload tawraga like masing khwaidagi yamba contestant da mana si bijagani.
Welcome back after the break. Passengers are facing problem due to lack of adequate chairs at the helipad in Imphal Airport. The helipad is for Imphal Jiribam and Tamenglong More helicopter service. Speaking about the inconveniences faced by passengers, especially senior citizens at the helipad, RK Bijoy Sana Singh of Child Welfare Ashram, CWA, Jiribam expressed unhappiness over the unavailability of adequate chairs at the helipad. He urged the concerned authority to look into the matter at the earliest. A one-day awareness program on welfare scheme certificates for persons with disabilities was held at Wangu, Nongdakhong Community Hall. The event was organized by Society for Disabled Persons, SDP. At the program, Kumbi Constituency MLA's Bureau urged the masses to provide correct personal information like biodata and bank account numbers to the authority while applying for disabled certificates, which can facilitate easy availability of benefits under various welfare schemes. The MLA assured he will discuss with the government for increasing the number of blind schools in the state. The event was also attended by District Social Welfare Officer Bishnupur and Jyoti Singh, President of Kumbi Kendra Progressive Farmers Association, Sanasam Dinesh Singh and others.
Blind school singster tamakwa satra singdo satri singdo madu mit utabo oirega so mahak MA pass tawba yadori bani IAS prakha thabe yadori bani moisina se adana masugumba school se mase ahak government ki site ki so ahak propose tawjage.
A high-intensity improvised explosive device, IED, was detected at the site about 100 meters away from Patsoi Lamkhai near HVS Company along Imphal Jiribam Road this morning. According to the reports, troops of Assam Rifles accompanied by bomb expert rushed to the spot and retrieved the IED before it was taken away to Sangaitel where it was defused. No groups has so far claimed responsibility. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at Rs 10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837353352 or 9402991938. Maitai Singi Puwariga Sagon Aduna Laklaba Mapam Ama Oiriba Sagolban Tangapat Lairiba, the Tangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store, Naihak Awaba Potafam Ama Oibata Natana, Restaurant Manung the Yaujariba, inbuilt departmental store da Adomgi household items sing su Pambiragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu items sing na Adomgi taste bud to satisfy Oheliba menu items sing enjoy to view. Amadi Tangapat ki view enjoy to view. Langston Biraksi, the Tangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store.
Rotary Club Imphal RI District 3240 is organizing a sport fencing competition to be held on Sunday, the 22nd September 2019 at Rotary Multi-Service Center, Manipuri for the classes 3 to 5 for Group A and classes 6 to 10 for Group B. Registration starts from 9 am and ends at 10 am. Competition starts from 10:10 am and ends at 11:40 am. Prizes are: first prize Rs 5,000, second prize Rs 3,000, Third prize rupees 2,000 in its categories, and 2 consolation prizes in all the 2 categories along with cash prizes and certificates.
Welcome back after the break. Condolences pour in from party leaders and others on the untimely demise of Jirbam BJP Mandal President P. Rakeshwar Singh following an illness yesterday. Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K. Sarat Kumar Singh, condoled the demise of Rakeshwar Singh. In the condolence message, he lauded late Rakeshwar for his immense contribution towards BJP. On the other hand, Jirbam BJP Mandal Secretary A. Dorendra Maitai also condoled his death, saying his death is an irreparable loss to the party. Under the Swachh Hi Seva, the community development project, Thamna Pokpi, in collaboration with Bazaar Board Committee, Thamna Pokpi and Ngangkhlawai Gram Panchayat, conducted a one-day social service scheme this morning. Participants cleaned the Thamna Pokpi market and its surrounding. Moirangthem Romes Maitai of Ngangkhlawai Gram Panchayat, members of Thamna Pokpi village coordination committee and others took part in the program. Four major bank unions have called for a 2-day strike from September 25th to 27 in protest of the government's plan to merge 10 major public sector banks. The 4 unions, namely All India Bank Officers Confederation, All India Bank Officers Association, Indian National Bank Officers Congress and National Organization of Bank Officers, have announced the strike. In a letter addressed to the chairman of the Indian Banks Association, the union stated that they strongly oppose and protest the government's move of merger of public sector banks. A woman was killed in Manade after a portion of a wall of her house collapsed following heavy rainfall in Chennai today. Rain lashed Chennai city and the adjoining districts of Tiruvallur and Kanchipuram from midnight. Many arterial roads and an undated and normal life of residents have been affected. The city experienced its wettest day of the year yet today as thunder showers lashed several parts. The weather station in Nungabakam recorded 108 mm of rainfall during the past 24 hours, ending 8:30 am. This is the highest volume of rainfall received in a single day during September over the past decade. Chennai had earlier recorded 88 mm. The Meteorological Department forecast that the same weather trend may continue till tomorrow. Now we have the newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. Houses set on fire in inter-village clash. In construction process, airport roof gives way. Workers hurt. Drugs worth ₹70 crore seized. NRC countrywide, says Amit Shah. The People's Chronicle. Miscreants torch 18 houses at Maram Kuman. Faculty shortage dogs Pettigrew College. Chief Minister Biren inspects progress of sports facilities. Officials warn against issuance of fake license. Imphal Free Press. 8 injured as newly constructed Bir Dikendrajit Airport building collapses. Culprits involved in Makan incident will be nabbed soon, says Chief Minister. The Morning Bell. Under construction cargo terminal building at Imphal Airport collapses. 8 laborers injured. Myanmar national with fake Aadhaar card, 4 agents arrested. 47 boys of Slopeland Public School goes missing from boarding, found later. Court orders compensation to family of fake encounter victim. Chief Minister Biren inspects construction of sports infrastructure in Imphal. Police trying to nab culprits involved in Makan incident, says Chief Minister. Manipur Mail. Police trying to nab culprits involved in Makan incident, says Chief Minister. Journalists fund, not misuse, says Bishwajit. 5 Oscar-winning film Hugo to be screened with interaction on September 21st.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. NSF to take out Naga mass rally in New Delhi to press for early solution to Naga issue. Research policy workshop on climate change perspective in Manipur begins at Manipur University. And Rajnath Singh takes off in Tejas, first defense minister to fly in indigenous LCA. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.